How to take care of dark areas on your feet. Have you ever noticed that some areas of your feet become darker after wearing sandals or open shoes? You're not alone. This can happen because of friction, dry skin, irritation, or regular exposure to the sun. In this video, we're going to talk about a simple and gentle foot care routine that can help your feet look smoother, cleaner, and more moisturized. Before we start, remember that dark areas on the skin can have different causes. The goal is not to aggressively remove the color, but to take better care of the skin and avoid things that can make irritation worse. First, let's talk about what you need. You will need warm water, a gentle exfoliating product, aloe vera gel, and a good moisturizing cream. The first step is cleaning your feet. Wash your feet with warm water and gently clean the skin. Pay attention to the areas that usually become dry or darker, especially around the toes, heels, and other areas that experience friction from sandals or shoes. After washing, gently dry your feet with a clean towel. Try not to rub your skin too hard. Excessive rubbing can irritate the skin and may make the problem worse. Next comes gentle exfoliation. Exfoliation can help remove dead skin cells from the surface of the skin. But remember, you don't need to scrub aggressively. Apply a small amount of a gentle exfoliating product and massage it very softly. If your skin starts to hurt, burn, or become irritated, stop immediately. After exfoliating, rinse your feet with warm water and gently dry them again. Now it's time for aloe vera gel. Apply a thin layer of aloe vera gel to the areas that feel dry or irritated. Aloe vera can help soothe and moisturize the skin, making it feel more comfortable. Spread the gel gently and allow it to absorb naturally. The next step is moisturizing. This is one of the most important parts of the routine. Apply a moisturizing cream to your feet, especially to areas that become dry easily. Dry skin can look rough and uneven, so keeping your skin moisturized regularly can help improve its overall appearance. Massage the cream gently into the skin until it is absorbed. If you regularly wear sandals or open shoes, your feet may also get more sun exposure. Just like the rest of your exposed skin, your feet can benefit from sun protection. If your feet are going to be exposed to the sun, consider using sunscreen on the exposed areas. Another important thing is to reduce unnecessary friction. If a particular sandal or shoe constantly rubs against the same part of your foot, try wearing something more comfortable. Constant friction can irritate the skin and make dark areas more noticeable. And remember, don't use harsh bleaching products, strong acids, or aggressive scrubs just because you want faster results. Skincare takes time. The best routine is usually a simple one that you can follow consistently. Clean your feet gently. Exfoliate carefully. Keep the skin moisturized. Protect exposed skin from the sun. And avoid unnecessary irritation. With regular and gentle care, your feet can look and feel healthier. However, if a dark area does not improve, suddenly becomes darker, spreads, becomes painful, or changes in another unusual way, it's better to speak with a doctor or dermatologist. Everyone's skin is different, so what works for one person may not work for another. Take care of your skin, be patient, and remember that healthy skin is more important than trying to change its natural color. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple skincare and self-care tips.